In today's video, I will show you how to remove blemishes using Photoshop. So let's get started. Hi, I am Zan and welcome to my channel Pixel Box. Here we learn Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator to improve your skills in graphic designing. So if you are interested in learning graphic designing, feel free to subscribe to my channel. This is the image that I will use. You can download this image by checking my description of this video. Just open it in Photoshop and unlock the layer and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. In this example, we will use spot healing brush of Photoshop. You can press J to bring up the spot healing brush tool. This brings a circle on your screen. You can increase and decrease its size by curly bracket keys. This tool will automatically remove the blemishes. If you right click it on an unhealthy skin, it will detect the surroundings and replace that area with an healthy skin. The Photoshop will automatically do that for you. All you need to do is click on the area that you want to remove and make sure your circle should be bigger than the blemishes. You can also click and drag to remove it. And that's the result of spot healing brush tool in Photoshop. As you can see, this is the before, this is the after. There is a huge difference. This trick will only work if the skin have small blemishes in the photo. Now let's move to the second method to remove blemishes from an image if the skin has a lot of blemishes in the image. Just repeat the process of duplicating your layer. So if you make any mistake, you can always go back to your original layer. On this image, we will use healing brush tool to remove the blemishes from the skin. After selecting the healing brush tool, press Alt and make a sample of a healthy skin near your blemish. Don't go too far because it will create a mismatching skin that will look ugly in the image. Repeat this process until you remove all the blemishes from the skin. But make sure you don't zoom too much on the image, that you are even in pixel mode to remove the blemishes. It will affect your image quality. I know this is a manual work, but the result that you will get will satisfy you. After removing all the blemishes, it's time to make the skin smooth to look natural. For that, duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl+J and inverse the image by pressing Ctrl+I and select your mode to vivid light. After that, go to filters, others and high pass. Just adjust the value according to your image. Play around with the radius and make sure you are just smoothing the pores on the skin. Don't go too overboard like this. It will be different for your image, but I am going with this and press OK. Then again go to filters, blur and Gaussian blur. Add that blur until your skin is revealed on the image. After that, press OK. Now add a layer mask on your layer and invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Now press P to bring up the brush tool and brush on the face to make the skin smooth. Make sure your foreground color of the brush is on white. After smoothing the layer, just add a filter to your image so that everything looks natural instead of looking edited or gloomy. Just add a photo filter and make sure that filter works good on your image. And that's it. That's how you can remove blemishes from your image. If you like learning Photoshop, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and thanks for watching.